Is it not wondering and puzzling? How do we see sound? Yes, it is. We see sound by vibration or wave that travels through the air. Sound waves are invisible to our eyes, meaning we can't see sound waves unless we find a way to make the sound waves move something that we can see. Now, in this activity, you will use different noise making objects to cause sound waves and make sound visibly move. Visibly move. Now, I would love to share this activity that my teacher, Mr. Ludford, shared with us today in class. The activity was he had a pan, he used a piece of cloth, he stretched it to the fullest. He either used rice, sand, or small beads. He played a song or a music of his choice, or you could use your voice and hum the vibration. Yes, so you can try that out for yourself. Then he played the music or song of his choice, and the vibration of the song let the object that he used was dancing, like the beads or sand or rice grains. They were they were dancing. So thank you. I hope you learned something today.